Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to brainstorm in Qwenlm Ai. It's a very simple and easy process and I'm going to guide you through how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, head over to your preferred web browser. On your browser, search for Qwenlm Ai and navigate to its website. Once you're in the website, make sure that you are logged in with your account. After you are logged in, you will see this kind of interface. AI can be very dynamic for brainstorming across various fields. So you can leverage the AI for brainstorming into any topics that you want to. Let's say if I want to brainstorm regarding the content creation, I can give a prompts like this. So I've given a prompt to brainstorm ideas for content creation regarding the football page. You can give a prompt as you like and be specific with what you want. So I've asked this AI to generate a list of trending topics in football based on the search engine queries and social media discussions, suggest content formats and create outlines for each topic. So I'll tap on the send message option. Now it is starting to give me ideas. You can check out all these lists, you can go through it, and that's how you can brainstorm using Qwenlm Ai. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.